Welcome children, this is your social class, the continuation of chapter 3, the lovely East. Okay, so the last classes we are discussed the importance of Kolkata, importance of Bhubaneswar, the next class Guwahati, then Kohima, Raipur. These cities we are discussed. Okay, and today in this class we are going to discuss about the importance of Ranchi and the balanced question answers. Okay, tell me, the Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Which is the capital of Jharkhand? That is Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand, and one of the important river are flowing through the city, that is Subarnarekha. Subarnarekha river is also flow through the city. So Subarnarekha means Swarna Nadi ennanu Subarnarekha river ennu parayunnadinte meaning aanu Swarna Nadi. Okay. So that our river കാണുന്ന ഏത് സിറ്റിയിലാണ്? That is in Ranchi. So Ranchi in the capital of Jharkhand. Okay, and this city is famous for handicraft and metalwork. Which are the importance? The importance of handicraft and metalworks, and also the importance of bamboo craft and Pedkar painting. Pedkar painting means their traditional painting. Also they are given more importance in this city. And importance, and another importance of the city is called, or the city is known as the city of waterfalls. It's called the city of waterfalls. Why the city is called the city of waterfalls? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ സിറ്റിനെ the city of waterfalls എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത്? Because they are important for waterfalls are from there. So which are they? So that is, look at the blackboard. So importance of which are they? The important waterfalls, that is Desam Falls, Hundru Falls, Sita Falls and Jonna Falls. Which are they? That is in Desam Falls, Hundru Falls, then Sita Falls and Jonna Falls. These are the important waterfalls in the city. Which city? That is Ranchi. Okay, so Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. An important river also from there, that is Subarnarekha. Okay children, and many tourist attractive places also in the city. So which are the importance of tourist attractive places? That is Nakshatra Van, second one is Tagore Hills, third one is Sun Temple, fourth one is Rock Garden. So which are the children? That is Nakshatra Van, second one is Tagore Hills, third one is Sun Temple, fourth one is Rock Garden. So these are the important tourist attractive places in Ranchi. So I will repeat, Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand, and one of the river is flowing through the city, that is in Subarnarekha, and important tourist attractive places also from there. And the city is give the importance of handicraft and metalworks, and also the city is called the city of waterfalls, and some waterfalls also from there, that is in Desam Falls, then Hundru Falls, Sita Falls and Jonna Falls. Okay, these are the important things, and let us discuss the question answers and think and answer. Okay, the first one is choose the correct answer from the bracket. The city is situated along on the bank of river Hooghly. So which city is situated on the bank of river Hooghly? So tell me children. So the answer is Kolkata. And second is, in Bhubaneswar most people speak which language? Which languages most people widely spoken? That is Odia. Third one is river Brahmaputra flows through which one? River Brahmaputra, that is Guwahati. Guwahati is the biggest city in which one? Biggest city in which one children? That is in Assam. Then fourth one, the War Cemetery. The War Cemetery is in dash. Which one? Kohima. Okay. Fifth one, Raipur is famous for its handicraft. Sixth one, Ranchi is in dash. Which one? Chhattisgarh, Assam and Jharkhand. That is in Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Okay. And give one word answer. In your textbook will give you 6 questions. So you want to find out these answers. So which is the only city in India where trams are still in use? ഇപ്പോഴും ട്രാംസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സിറ്റി ഏതാണ്? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ കൊൽക്കത്ത. ആൻഡ് സെക്കൻഡ്, ഇൻ വിച്ച് സിറ്റി ആർ ദ കാൻഡഗിരി കേവ്സ്? കാൻഡഗിരി കേവ്സ് ഇൻ ഭുവനേശ്വർ. തേർഡ് വൺ, വിച്ച് ഈസ് ദ മെയിൻ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ഓഫ് ഗുവാഹട്ടി? ഗുവാഹട്ടിയിലെ മെയിൻ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ആണേത്? ബിഹു ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ. Fourth one, which language do most people speak in Kohima? Kohima people speak Angami. Then fifth question, which river flow near Raipur? So that is in Mahanadi river. Okay, Raipurlode ഒഴുകുന്ന ഒരു river ആണ് ഏത്? River Mahanadi. Sixth one, which city is also known as the city of waterfalls? That is in Ranchi. Okay, Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. And question answers also. First question, write the names of important industries are in Kolkata. So children, which are the important industries are in Kolkata? That is in jute, silk, rice, paper and chemicals. These are the few industries are in Kolkata. So important question is that which are the important industries in Kolkata? Kolkataiyilulla important cities are industries aanu edellam? Jute, silk, rice, paper and chemical. Okay, these are the important industries are in Kolkata. Second question, what is Guwahati famous for? Guwahati endinanu famous aayirikkunathu? Guwahati famous for handicraft and woolen shawls. Which are they, children? Guwahati is famous for handicraft and woolen shawls. Okay. Third one, when and where is the Hornbill festival celebrated? So when and where, എപ്പോഴും എവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് Hornbill festival celebrate ചെയ്യുന്നത്? So Hornbill festival is celebrating from where? That is in Kohima, Nagaland, the capital of Nagaland. They are celebrating this Hornbill festival. So Hornbill festival is celebrating, or the Hornbill festival held in every year in December. Okay, കൊഹിമയിലെ എല്ലാ വർഷവും ഡിസംബർ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ആണ് ഇത് Hornbill festival. And this festival is shows in their rich in culture. Okay, this festival shows എന്ത് കാണിക്കുന്നു? ഈ ഫെസ്റ്റിവലിലൂടെ അവരുടേതായിട്ടുള്ള സംസ്കാരമാണ് ഈ ഫെസ്റ്റിവലിലൂടെ അവർ കാണിക്കുന്നത്. And the fourth one, write the names of 3 waterfalls near Ranchi. റാഞ്ചിയിലുള്ള important waterfalls ഏതെല്ലാമാണ്? So that is we are already discussed Dasam Falls, Hundru Falls, then Sita Falls and Jonna Falls. You can write any 3 names. Okay. And the last, you can see one word search, one of the activity in your textbook. You want to circle the name of 6 states in eastern India are hidden in this word search. So 6 states names are in this puzzle, in this column. So this is the activity. You want to find out 6 states name. You want to find out which are the important or which are the 6 states are in this puzzle. You want to find out these answers. Okay, children. So read your textbook proper. All important questions are you want to write and study. Nobody make the spelling mistakes and all. Okay, children. Thank you.